Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. So today we are going to start SST class from chapter 2. Yesterday we have learned about our Earth from chapter 2. So I will revise some work. So please take out page number 12. Our Earth. Find out the rotate taken by Ferdinand Magellan to go around the Earth. Name the important countries and write and water bodies he crossed. आप लोग को उसका नेम लिखना है, वाटर बॉडीज जो मैगलेन ने क्रॉस किया, वाटर बॉडीज एंड countries. So this is your homework. Try this. Do this in your copy. So the Earth is a rocky planet. Yesterday I have told you about what is Earth. Who proved that Earth is not the center of the universe? Who proved that? Copernicus proved that the Earth is not the center of the universe. Who is the center of the universe? Sun is the center of the universe. And Magellan, Ferdinand Magellan proved that the Earth is round in shape. So today we are going to start continents and ocean. Till here at map, from till here we have finished this work. So today I am going to start continents and ocean. What is continents? Continents means land, which you can see this globe. This is greenish color and this is blue color. So now listen carefully and see carefully. Okay? ध्यान से pictures देखिए और सुनिए ध्यान से. ठीक है? Next, continents means when you look at the pictures of the earth, you can see it in a large masses of land called continents. You can see in a large masses, which is in greenish color. So land means continents. Land means continents. And ocean means water bodies. Land. There are 7 continents. 7 continents in our earth. How many continents are there? You know, as usual, there are 7 continents, right? And how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. So these continents are separated by large masses of water bodies called ocean. They separated. Land, this is land, they are separated from oceans. This is land which is greenish in color, and those who are in blue color, they are ocean. This is ocean and this is land. Okay? So those who are in greenish color, they are land, and those who are blue in color, they are water bodies. So how there are 7 continents on the earth. How many continents are there on the earth? There are 7 continents on the earth. What are they? एशिया मेरे साथ आप लोग भी बोल सकते हैं. एशिया, अफ्रीका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका एंड यूरोप, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड एंटार्क्टिका. There are 7 continents. Asia, what are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. They are continents. Continent means land. There are 7 continents. Okay? Next, how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. What are they? Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Oceans, Southern Oceans, Indian Oceans and Arctic Oceans. All these continents are further divided into countries. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. All these continents means land. Asia, Africa, America, South America, they are divided into different types. Okay? So which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent and ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज द स्मॉलेस्ट कंटिनेंट, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पास छोटा कंटिनेंट मतलब लैंड छोटा है उसके पास, ठीक है। एंड एशिया के पास ज्यादा कंटिनेंट्स है। सो ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज ऑल्सो अ कंट्री बाय इटसेल्फ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज ऑल्सो अ कंट्री, ओके। नाउ देयर आर 5 oceans on the earth, you know there are 5 oceans on the earth, we all know how many oceans are there, how many continents are there. You can help, you can go through the Google or you can go through YouTube, you can search how many continents are there, you can look their pictures, okay. So the Pacific Oceans, what is Pacific Oceans, what is Atlantic Oceans? Oceans means बड़ा बड़ा सा वाटर बॉडीज, ओशंस, ठीक है। आप लोग मूवी में देखिए, यूट्यूब में जाकर देखिए, आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा। सो द अटलांटिक ओशन इज द celestial of all oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean while the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Now, which is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. उसके पास छोटा सा ओशन है, छोटा सा वाटर बॉडीज है। और सबसे ज्यादा वाटर किस पे है? पैसिफिक ओशंस पे। द पैसिफिक ओशन इज द लार्जेस्ट ओशन, ओके। How many water bodies are there? There are 5 oceans. What are they? Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Oceans, the Indian Oceans and the Arctic Oceans. Now, continents and oceans on a world map. आप लोगों को वर्ल्ड मैप में कंटिनेंट्स एंड ओशंस का वर्ल्ड मैप देखिए। साउथ एटलांटिक ओशंस, ये क्या है? साउथ एटलांटिक ओशंस है। नाउ साउथ अमेरिका मीन्स ये क्या है? ग्रीन में कंटिनेंट्स, लैंड, दिस इज अवर लैंड। नाउ ये ओशन, लैंड के बाहर क्या है? ओशन, साउथ पैसिफिक ओशन। और देखिए नॉर्थ अमेरिका, ये क्या है? लैंड। यूरोप भी लैंड है। इसके बाहर जो है आर्टिक ओशन, ये क्या है? छोटा सा, इसका ओशन कितना है? स्मॉलेस्ट ओशन, ये बहुत छोटा वाटर बॉडीज है। नॉर्थ पैसिफिक ओशन, ये जो व्हाइट कलर में है ये क्या है? ओशंस। और जो कलर्स में दिया है ब्राउन, ब्लू, ब्राउन, ग्रीन, ये क्या है? लैंड है हम लोग का, कंटिनेंट। और जो व्हाइट कलर में है वो क्या है? वाटर बॉडी। सो डायरेक्शन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डायरेक्शन? डायरेक्शन मीन्स दिशा। इन हिंदी वी कैन कॉल दिशा। सो you already know that there are 4 directions. We all know there are 4 directions: north, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. There are 4 directions. So what are they? They are north, south, east, west. We have learned in class 2 also where is north, south, east, west. Okay. So these directions help us to locate place if you start facing a map. This direction, ये direction हम लोग को help करते हैं कई जगह पे जाने। Where is not, हम लोग कहीं घूमने भी जाते हैं। अभी तो Google है, we can go through our mobile, we have Google Map. So we can, they help us where we have to go. They help us, directions help us. So if you stand facing a map, the top of the map is north. If you stand on the map, the top of the map is called north and the bottom of the map is called south. So the left means the left side is west, left, right. The left side is west and the right side is east. In Hindi, we can say north means uttar, south means dachin, and east means purab and west means paschim. Okay, so north, south, east, west. When we stand on the top of the map, what we call this is north, and when we stand bottom of the map is called south. left side we can call west and right side east. So the compass rose made on the map shows you the north. जो कंपास है आप लोगों को दिखाया जाएगा उस पे नॉर्थ, वेयर इज नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट. यू कैन सर्च इन गूगल वेयर इज नॉर्थ, वेयर इज साउथ, वेयर इज ईस्ट. ओके, सो फॉर टुडे दिस मच. थैंक यू. हैव अ गुड डे.